Hello everyone, welcome to Pharmacy Study. As we have earlier studied about the introduction about the pharmacology, now we are going to study the classification of the crude drug. After introduction, we are going to start with the classification. Okay, the first thing that is crude drug. Crude drug क्या होता है? Any drug that is obtained from a plant, animal or a mineral. Plant, animal or a mineral, they are used without any kind of processing. They are just collected and dried, and the product is directly used as a crude drug. Crude drug are again classified into the two parts, that is organized drug and unorganized drug. As the name itself suggests, organized का मतलब होता है कि all the elements of a cell is organized, and they are also known as a cellular drugs. Another is unorganized, that means the inner portion of any cell is not organized, that is the acellular part. Organized drug examples are Senna, Dhatura, Nux vomica, Aconite. Acacia, jalap and beeswax are some kind of a acellular type of drugs that are unorganized. Their cell structure is not defined and their cell structure are defined. Now इसके अलावा भी classification है, that is classification based upon the alphabetical, taxonomical, morphological, pharmacological, chemical and chemotaxonomical. ये सारी classification आई जाती है crude drugs के लिए, तो we will study in detail about all these. First one is alphabetical classification. Classified by normally अल्फ़ाबेटिकल है तो अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ही इसे डिफाइन करते हैं. वी हैव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फार्माकोपियाज दैट आर यूज टू क्लासीफाई दिस प्रोडक्ट. लाइक इंडियन फार्माकोपिया, वी यूज इंडियन फार्माकोपिया टू क्लासीफाई द प्रोडक्ट्स. ब्रिटिश फार्माकोपिया, यूरोपियन फार्माकोपिया, and there are more another pharmacopoeias except from these. Okay, so what is the disadvantages of alphabetical order? That is there is no distinguish between कि ये कहाँ से origin है, that is from a plant origin or a animal origin. Okay, so this is the only disadvantages of this system. Okay, another name is taxonomical. Taxonomical means from where they are obtained, their division. This is a long procedure like phylum, its division, class, subclass, family, genesis, species. This is all we classify inside the taxonomical classification, but they do not tell about the chemical constituent. As we know, there is no division for the chemical constituent, so we are using the product from the chemical constituent, so this is also not a good classification. Another is based upon the morphological. Morphological means वो कैसा दिखाई देता है, its morphology, that is obtained from a leaf, or it is obtained from a bark, or obtained from a flower or any other part of the plant. That is a morphology. So depending upon the morphology, like leaf containing Vasica and digitalis are the leaves that we used as a crude drug. Kurchi and cinnamon, these are the bark. We use in our kitchens also sometimes the cinnamon. Okay, these are used as a crude drug as a form of a bark. Another is a flower. We use rose in our chemical constituents. Another one is pharmacological or therapeutic. All the drugs that are used for any single purpose. Suppose we are using some drugs in the respiratory tract only, so they are classified for respiratory. Some of we are using for the cardio, then all the drugs are into the cardio system. Another we are using into the CNS, then that is classified into the CNS. So drugs used in the respiratory system, they are expectorants. Expectorants, they expel out the mucus from your respiratory tract. For example, liquorize or EPIC. Another is antitussive. Antitussive we use in the common cold, that is opium. Another is a bronchodilator. Bronchodilator, that is T and ephedra. Drugs on the cardiovascular system, they act upon the cardiovascular system. Cardiotonic or cardiodepressant. There is two type of categories only, that is cardiotonic or cardiodepressant. Cardiotonic is digitalis and cardiodepressant is veratrum. Or next one is the chemical classification based upon the chemical nature. These are used basically on the chemical nature. They are alkaloid or glycosides or tannins. ये क्लासिफिकेशन उसके ऊपर बेस होती है एंड ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जो कि हमें सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ने में सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है. आगे भी हम इसी सब का क्लासिफिकेशन पढ़ेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल वी विल गो फॉर अल्कलॉइड्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, टैनिन, रेजिन्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज. ओके, फर्स्ट वन वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द अल्कलॉइड्स. The basic constituent of any chemical is alkaloids. They contain, for example, vinca, belladonna, opium, tea and coffee. Another one, the glycoside, aloe, senna, digitalis. Tannins. Tannins contain amla, baheda and catechu. Raisins, that is Astophytida, maher, balsam of Tolu and Peru. Another is the carbohydrate that contain honey, tarangnath and isabgol. Another is the lipids. Lipids are, that is cholmurga oil, shark oil, guargum. Volatile oil, dil, caraway, clove, tulsi, ajwain, fennel, etc. Proteins, they are less in number, like casein, gelatin, yeast, collagen. Enzymes that we'll study in pharmacology is diastase and pepsin. Hormones like oxytocin and insulin. This is all we are going to study in our next videos. This is very important topics that cover a lot of part in your examination. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe, like and share the videos. Thank you.